Eminent Domain Apparel.
Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Eminent Domain bringing you another how-to video. This video is going to show you how to create playlists for your YouTube channel. Now, you can use these playlists to show off videos that is currently on your channel, what the people are already watching. You are able to create these playlists because when one video finishes, another one can begin showing off whatever content you would like to organize within this playlist. Also, your playlist can be shared with other individuals, and you can collaborate on playlists as well. So right now, let's go ahead and get started. Now, what you're going to do first, and what I go about doing is I will prefer going into the YouTube studio. And you could probably do it from this page, but I like the YouTube studio from creating my playlist. All right, so this is my channel dashboard. Ignore all the information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cursor and go to the left side of the screen, right under my channel's name. You're going to see a tab here that says playlist. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Right now I'm going to wait for my page to load. All right, so as you can see, I currently have some playlists already active. So what I'm going to do, instead of looking at these, I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner and click on new playlist. New playlist is going to have a dialog box that tells me to type a playlist title. For the sake of this video, what I'm going to do is just going to put for learning. All right, I'm going to keep it public because I want the public to see the playlist. All right, you can also set it for private or unlisted, but in this case we're going to keep it public. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and hit create. All right, now I am going to then wait for this next page to load. Here, as you can see, it shows me the options for this new playlist. As you can see, I named it for learning. All right, so it still states that it can be seen by the public. I'm going to go right here with these three dots. Click on it. As you can see, it gives me a drop-down box. This box gives me 4 options. 1, to collaborate. 2, playlist settings. 3, delete playlist. 4, add videos. Collaborate, pretty much, it's so you could collaborate with other YouTubers or other individuals on the playlist. Maybe you could add videos from multiple channels. All right, so that's how you could go about collaborating. Playlist settings. Let's go ahead and click on that. Here it gives you the option of embedding. Right now the option is active. I do allow embedding when it comes to playlists. I prefer that. Hopefully it's a way to get more views. All right, and here, add new videos to the top of the playlist. If you prefer to have your newer videos towards the top of the playlist, go ahead and click on that to make it active. But as a default, it is not active. All right, go click advanced settings. On advanced settings, there we go. All right, playlist settings basic. As you can see, playlist privacy is set to public. The ordering is set to manual, but you have other options to select. You can select date added, newest, date added, oldest, most popular, date published, newest, date published, oldest. All right, I am going to keep it manual because I would like to select which videos I would like to add into my playlist. So now right here I see that there's another line said add new videos to the top of the playlist. Go ahead and select that box. Over here it says additional options. Said it's official series for the playlist. Let's click here and see what it says. Oops. Don't want to stay. Use this setting for sets of videos uploaded to your channel as part of an official series. So if you're one of those YouTubers who would like to create a series, episodes, or something that you think is going to gain you more subscribers, then you want to go ahead and select this box. Below it, allow embedding. Allowing embedding will allow you to pretty much post your playlist over other platforms and social media. So therefore, you can go ahead and keep that selected if that's something that you would like to do. Once you have made your selections here, you can check this one out. Define rules for videos to be automatically added to the playlist. So if you have a rule where you want certain keywords in a video to go to a particular playlist, you can set these rules right here. All right. They give you a drop down box. Title contains, description contains, tags. So you can use one of these rules and type in whatever words you would like in order for it to go to that particular playlist. So therefore, this is how you would set up rules. Collaborate. Collaborators can add videos to this playlist. So if you have another YouTuber, another friend who collaborates on playlists that would like to share, a playlist that you all created together, you can go ahead and select this option. Once you have made all your selections, you're going to go ahead and click save, which is right here. All right, so right now, save. It says working. All right, so now I believe that I am done. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. All right, so now that I have this, I'm going to add videos. I already set up what I, set up the settings. Now, let me go ahead and add videos. Oh, if you go ahead and click right here, these three squares, you could delete this playlist or translate playlist info. All right. So that's an option that you have in case you want to delete at this point. Say if you did not like the title, the name, or for whatever odd reason, you just want to go ahead and delete it. If after a while you decide that you just didn't want it, you can come back to this playlist tab, go over to these squares, click delete playlist, and there you go. The playlist will be deleted. Now let's go ahead and click add videos. Add videos by adding, you can add a video by doing a video search, by looking up a URL, pasting it in this an address bar right here. Or you can add your own YouTube videos to your playlist, which most of you will be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few just for this, learning purposes. 1, 2, 3. Selected 3 videos. I'm going to go down here, blue add videos button. Click add videos. Now from this point, you will see the videos. This playlist settings box appears. If you don't want to change anything else, just go ahead and click cancel if there aren't any other new rules that you would like to add. Alright, so like I said, these 3 videos appeared. So now at this point, I know this is my new playlist. So from there, I'm going to go back to this home page, wait for it to load. As you can see, I have my tabs across here. Click on playlist. And you can see it's within my playlist list. All right, so for learning. All right, now let me go ahead and show you how to go about deleting a playlist. I could click on the title right here, for learning. I clicked on it. I'm gonna wait for the page to load. Now as you can see, we saw this page before, and I told you in order to delete a playlist, go over to the 3 circles, which are right here. I click on those 3 circles, delete playlist. Are you sure you want to delete for learning, which is the name of the playlist? Yes, I do. I'm for the most part going to click the blue delete word. Playlist is deleted. It tells you that in the lower left hand corner. All right, so now as you can see, that is all to it. Pretty much is an easy process, creating and deleting a playlist. I really hope you enjoyed this video, so please like and subscribe. And also, as always, come back for some more videos to be uploaded soon. Have a nice day. Deuces.
Eminent domain apparel.